Good day, Mom and Sir. Let me introduce myself. I'm Jenaline Yang, 38 years old, college undergrad with a course in midwifery, married, and have three kids, ages 21, 20, and 8 years old. And I am Roman Catholic. I have work experience before in three countries, Saudi, Kuwait, and Qatar as a domestic helper. In Saudi, I'm 2 years and 2 months from June 2013 to August 2015. My responsibility is to clean, hold the house, iron and washing clothes, cook for them food, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And we are all five in one house. In my second employer in Kuwait, I'm a babysitter of 8 months old baby boy for 3 years from October 2019 to October 2022. Our responsibility is to take care of the baby 24/7 if the mother is not yet around. Take a bath, changing diaper, prepare milk for the baby, cook food for the baby, and feed for the baby, and we are all three in one house. In my last employer in Qatar, from April 2022 to February 2025, my responsibility is to clean whole the house, iron and washing clothes, cook for them food, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and I keep whole the house clean and tidy, and they are all 11 in one house. I am a hardworking person, trustworthy, loyal, and honest, and lovable to my next employer. And if you hired me, Mom and Sir, I promise to do all my best, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract and more. Thank you and God bless.